Go.
I'm going to ask you some questions. You can use this pencil and paper if you need them. A woman's car gives 23 miles to a gallon of gas. She drove her car for 2 weeks without getting gas. How many miles can she drive on 4 gallons of gas?
92 miles.
What is the perimeter of this polygon?
Inches.
If a dog can run 2 1/4 miles in 1 hour, how many hours would it take the dog to run 4 1/2 miles at the same rate?
2 hours.
How many inches is 25% of a 1-foot ruler?
3 inches.
What time will it be 6 1/2 hours from this time?
1:15.
Lee wanted to visit his grandmother who lives 1,400 air miles away. If Lee's plane travels 400 miles per hour, how many hours would Lee's flight take?
3.5 hours.
If a girl saved $1 each week for 1 year, how much money would she save at the end of that year?
52.
52 what?
Dollars. Because I think there's 52 weeks in a year. I don't know.
Bakers use a lot of flour and sugar each day. If 75 pounds of flour lasts a bakery 2 1/2 days, how much flour is used per day?
Thirty-six
36 what?
pounds of flour.
A yardstick has been divided into 4 equal parts. How long is each part?
1/4 of a yard.
Doug works part-time at a music store. As an employee, he receives a discount of 10% on all purchases he makes. How much does he have to pay for a CD that sells for $6.90?
$6.21.
If 60 feet of wire weighs 80 pounds and you had 150 feet of this wire, how many pounds of wire would you have?
£200.
Look at the sandbox. It is 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 1 foot deep. How many cubic feet of sand would be needed to fill it half full?
12 cubic feet.
Pablo bought a new trombone for $800. If he pays for his horn in 30 days, he does not have to pay an additional 15% annual interest rate. If Pablo finances his horn for 1 year, what will be the total cost of Pablo's trombone?
$920.
A swimming pool is 50 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 5 feet deep. How much water can a swimming pool hold if completely full?
I have no idea.
The base of a triangle is 6 inches and the height is 3 inches. What is the area of the triangle?
I forgot the formula. I don't know.
A science class was instructed to record the outside temperature each hour from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. They found that the temperature rose at a constant rate from minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit at 9 a.m. to plus 30 degrees Fahrenheit at 2 p.m. What was the temperature at 12 o'clock noon?
Constant. Degrees
Plus or minus?
plus 10 degrees.
What is the length of the red side of this triangle?
Square root of 41.
A man opens a savings account by depositing $1,000. The bank pays 5% interest compounded annually on the savings account. If the man makes no further deposits or withdrawals, how much will he have in his savings account after 2 years?
$1,105.
There is a flagpole in the middle of a circular lawn. If the distance from the flagpole to the sidewalk around the edge of the lawn is 100 feet, what is the distance around the lawn?
I don't get a calculator, do I?
No.